Welcome back. Today we're unlocking the secret to multiplying and dividing positive and negative numbers, and it's easier than you think. Let's start with multiplication. There are just 3 simple rules to remember. Rule 1. Positive times. Positive equals positive. Example, 3 times 2 equals 6. This one's easy, just like normal multiplication. Rule 2. Negative times. Negative equals positive. Example, negative 4 times negative 5 equals 20. 2 negatives make a positive, they cancel out. So, if the signs are same, the answer is positive. That is, for same signs, the answer is positive. Rule 3. Positive times. Negative equals negative. Rule 4. Negative times. Positive equals negative. Examples. Negative 3 times 6 equals negative 18. 7 times negative 2 equals negative 14. So, if the signs are different, the answer is negative. That is, for opposite signs, the answer is negative. Dividing integers? Same rules. Guess what? The rules for division are exactly the same as multiplication. Rule 1. Positive divided by positive equals positive. Example, 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Rule 2. Negative divided by negative equals positive. Example, negative 20 divided by negative 5 equals 4. So, if the signs are same, the answer is positive. Rule 3. Positive divided by negative equals negative rule. 4. Negative divided by positive equals negative. Examples. Negative 15 divided by 3 equals negative. 18 divided by negative 6 equals negative 3. So, if the signs are different, the answer is negative. Real-life examples. Let's see where this happens in real life. Bank balance. If you lose $4 each day for 3 days, that is negative. 4 multiplied by 3 equals negative 12. You lost $12. Temperature drop. If the temperature drops 2 degrees Celsius per hour for 5 hours, negative 2 times 5 equals negative 10 degrees. Celsius is the total change in the temperature. Video game points. If you lose 6 points 4 times in a video game, then negative 6 multiplied by 4 equals 2, negative 24 points. Negative represents the loss of points. Let's revise. Here's the secret. Same signs equals positive. Different signs equals negative. Time to test your skills. Solve these and write your answers in the comments. Like this video? Want more brain-boosting math with turtles, parrot games, and pizza slices? Hit like, subscribe, and stay with us.